Say, Lena, come. Tell her. You say, ball. Slippery when it's got slobber all over it, isn't it? Having some trouble picking that up? Here you go. Give it to Lyle. Ball. Does he not want the ball? Say, here, Lyle. Oh, you throw it. What if you throw it for him? Say, Lyle, you want it? Can you throw it? I don't think he wants it. Maybe Lena wants it. You think she wants it? You think she wants the ball? Ball. There you go. Say, roll over, Lena. Say, roll over. Oh, she's got the ball. There she goes. Good girl. Throw it for her. Throw it. Oh, she don't think she saw you. We're at the park. Look at, say, roll over, Lena. That's right. Oh, there goes Lyle. He's running. Throw it. I think he's busy looking at squirrels. That's so sweet, Jenna. You want to pet him? That's right. That's a good job. Lena, you want the ball? Lena takes the ball. That's good. Lena loves that ball.